Hello, dear Leos. Very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading from 20th of June till 30th of June. Okay, so keep in mind these are general love readings. This might or might not resonate with you guys. Okay, and the second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. Okay, so if I'm telling this is your feeling, it could be your partner's feeling, and if I'm saying this is your energy, it could be your partner's energy. Roles could be reversed anytime. Okay, let's start. Let's see your partner's current energy. Leo is your partner's current energy right now is Leo. Your partner's current energy right now is Seven of Cups. I feel like Leos, your partner right now is having lots of options in their life, regarding their love life as well, regarding their personal life, and regarding their professional life as well. Okay, so it might also be possible that they are keeping you an option, keeping you like an option only in their life. This is also the situation. This could be also a situation, but I'll clarify further. Or in general, it could also mean that this person is really very confused about you right now. This is the right thing that I'm getting here right now, that this person is confused, very confused. Why they are feeling confused? Let's clarify. Why there is a confusion in their energy right now? Leos, let's see. Four of Wands, Queen of Swords, and the Five of Cups. Okay, I feel like this person wants stability. This person wants a connection where there will be stability, where there will be long-term committed relationship. They don't want any kind of one-night stands or any kind of bullshit in their life. That's why right now they are confused whether to reach you or not, whether to talk to you or not about this situation of theirs, because they are hiding their feelings for you. This is the Queen of Swords, and I feel like this person is definitely hiding their feelings for you, and they are missing you a lot. They are feeling depressed, they are feeling sad, they are feeling regretful. I feel like this person did something in the past, Leo, and that's making them deeply regretful about what they did to you in the past. So now the story what I'm getting is that they kept you as an option in the past. Okay, Leo, they kept you as an option in the past, and now they are regretting what they did. This is the story here. Are you getting my point, Leos? Let's see what's your current energy, Leo. Your current energy right now is Leos. Let's see. Your current energy right now, Leo, is your current energy right now is King of Cups. You are definitely in love with somebody, okay, and you are, you might be showing this love to this person. Okay, this is also the situation that you might be proposing this person, and you are openly and honestly telling this person that you love them. Or this could mean that you are in love with someone else. I will check this out for you, but definitely you are carrying lots of emotions, lots of love for somebody. Let's clarify. Let's clarify, why are you feeling like this? Four of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles, and the Ace of Cups. Okay, I feel like you are holding back your love. You're trying to control your emotions. You're trying to hide your emotions. Okay, and you're very possessive and obsessive about this particular person, because I feel like they left you in the past, or they left you hanging on the wall. They left you in the cold, and you felt like insulted because of this thing. I feel like now after they walked away, or after you walked away, you are developing new feelings, new overwhelming feelings for somebody else. Okay, so I feel like there is a new partner here, there is a new person here. So for some of you it is a story that I'm getting here, that you are carrying lots of emotions and lots of love for somebody, because this person whosoever you were connected with in the past, they made you feel like shit, they made you feel like they left you in the cold, and they made you feel like very insulted. And I feel like after they walk away from the situation, or after you came out of the situation, now you are feeling love for somebody new, or there is some newfound love out here, or somebody else is deeply in love with you, and they are offering you a new love committed offer. Might be not committed, but yes, there is some kind of new offer here that will be coming to you, if not yet, but yes, I feel like soon there will be a new love offer coming towards you. Okay, this is the story. And for some of you, I feel like although this person left you insulted, although this person made you feel like shit, you still carry lots of love for this person. You still carry lots of emotions for this person. Now this is you who are going to decide what is your story. Okay, there are two stories here. Let's see what this person feels for you, Leo. The feelings for you. Let's see. The Chariot. Okay, I feel like energetically this person is moving away from you, moving on from you. This person is feeling like they should move on from you. Okay, this is the situation here. I don't know why they are feeling like this bit, but they are very, very determined that for the time being, at least for now, I want to move on from this connection. I want to move on from this particular Leo person because this is some kind of regret here. This is some kind of shame here that is involved in this connection, and right now they don't want to see you eye to eye and they just want to move on from this connection. This is the situation here, Leos. Let's see, let's clarify. Four of Cups, the Hermit, and the Queen of Cups. Okay, they want to move on because they want emotional stability in their life, they want emotional happiness in their life, and they're not getting it from this connection, and that's why they're trying to move on from this. Right now they are very depressed. Right now this person is in a depressing phase because I feel like this person is right now seeking answers from within. You could be dealing with an Aquarius or Pisces, Scorpio. This is the situation. So I feel like this person is going within. This person is trying to seek the answers from within, and they all they want in their life is emotional stability, emotional happiness. And I feel like this person is feeling like right now, for the time being, I should just move on from this connection to find my happiness. That's how I will get my happiness. So I feel like right now this person is in a very, very stupid state of mind, you can say, a weird state of mind. One day they are very, very overwhelmed with your emotions, another day they are overwhelmed with somebody else's emotions. Right now this person is emotionally unstable, totally emotionally unstable, Leos. This is the situation here. Let's see what this person wants from you. I feel like this person wants to be successful in their life. Okay, not about the love life I'm telling you, but in general, this person wants to be successful in their life, and that's why they're just trying to move away from the personal life or the things that's making them overwhelmed with emotions, and they are just trying to focus on something professional. Might be professional life or might be spiritual life, but there's something that they want to be successful about. This person wants Queen of Wands from you. This person wants to have sexual intimacy with you. This is the situation here. I don't feel like this person wants commitment from you or some kind of relationship with you as of now. As of now, I'm telling you, till the 30th of June. This person wants to see you in a flirty energy, in a light-hearted energy, in a light mood. And I don't feel like this person wants any kind of committed relationship at all. So they want you to be flirty, they want you to look good, they want you to smell good, they want you to have sex with them, have physical intimacy with them. This is what they want from you, and if you're ready to have if you're ready for this, you can go for it. It's your free will, right? If you like this type of situation, or if you love this type of situation in your life, this is totally up to you, Leos. The World, the King of Cups, and the Nine of Cups. Okay, I feel like this person wants you to realize that everything between you guys is over now. There is no love here. Yes, there are emotions involved here, and I feel like this person wants you to realize that this person is your happiness. This person is your wish fulfillment, and this person carries lots of, and that you carry lots of. Emotions, and you carry lots of what should I say, I'm not getting the exact word actually. So I feel like this person wants you to realize, you, Leo, you, this person wants you to realize that this relationship is over. Okay, but still there is some kind of unfinished business in this relationship, and that you love them, and that this person is your wish fulfillment, and that you are still very passionate about them. You still care about them a lot. This is what they want you to realize. This is stupid. Okay, but I don't know why they are acting weird, but this is what they want from you. Okay, they want you to be flirty and casual, and don't think about the future, and don't be so serious. And although this person wants you to love them, but they want you to show them that there's nothing like that. weird. Let's see what is coming towards you till 30th of June. What to expect from this person till 30th of June? Leos, let's see. What to expect from this person till 30th of June? Let's see. Tower, some kind of breaking up. I feel like this person will break up with someone. Might be you, might be somebody else. Okay, or it could be some kind of sudden realization, or it could be some kind of shocking news. But I feel like there's some kind of shocking news coming in towards you, or there's some kind of realization coming to you, shocking realization coming in towards you, or might be there's some kind of, that kind of news coming in towards you that's going to literally shock you. Whether it's bad or good, I will check it out now. But yes, there's something shocking that is coming towards you, Leo. Ah, I'm a Leo rising and I'm a Leo moon, so I'm not prepared for any kind of shock right now. God, please. But I can't change it. Even I can't change it. Six of Wands, Justice, and a Page of Pentacles. You could be dealing with a Libra, and I feel like there will be a sudden realization from this person's side that you are kind of a mini celebrity. You are a very famous person, if not worldwide, or if not an actor like me. You are some kind of mini celebrity, and you are very enthusiastic. Whenever they are with you, they feel victorious. They feel happy, and this person wants to serve justice with this connection with you. So whatever your connection with this person is, they want justice in this connection. Okay, if there was some kind of injustice, or if they did something wrong with you, they want to do that right, and they want to offer you something. Might be a flirty night, or might be a date, or might be just a start of a friendship, but there is something that they want to offer you. Okay, this is the situation here. So there will be a sudden realization on their part that you are someone who is very famous. So you are someone who is very beautiful inside out, and they want to serve justice to this equation, or to this connection, or to you in general, because they hurted you in past, and they want to start this connection all over again with a scratch energy, with a might be you guys are working on some kind of project, and they're going to offer you some kind of project. This could be start of something from their side. This is the situation here. That's what you can expect from this person, Leos, till 30th of June. Okay, so I hope, Leos, this reading will give you some kind of insight about your love life, and I hope this will give you some relief that what's coming towards you, or what's happening behind the doors. So thank you so much for tuning in, Leos. This is Anjali Tarot. God bless you. Namaste. I'll see you soon in July's reading. Thank you. God bless you.